video vlog. On Valentine's Day, we went out to dinner with the baby, and earlier that day Gabe went out and got us both a little Valentine's Day gift and got iced coffee for me and a hot coffee for him. And yesterday we drove from West Virginia to our house in North Carolina, and that's where we are now. We're here for the next couple of days, and I wanted to take you along. Earlier today, Gabe's aunt stopped by and stayed for a couple of hours, and she just left, and Gabe just left, and we're supposed to be going out to dinner later, and I thought that I would take you along. It is Monday now. I just wanted to catch you up. This morning I got up and my mom and I went to her friend's house to pick up something. Then I got an iced coffee and we came back to the house and I made banana pancakes and my mom made bacon. We had breakfast, and then later on Gabe and I went to North Myrtle Beach. We went to 7 Brew and Bass Pro Shop, and then the Tanger outlets, and Ulta, and Publix. And then my mom and I also went shopping earlier, but Ulta was closed. That's why Gabe and I went to another one. I got one of those heatless curl sets, and I'll show you that later. And then on the way back, we stopped at the bank, and we went to Smithfield's and got dinner. And then my mom had to go, but she'll be back later. I'm about to get ready for bed, and I'm going to carry this vlog until tomorrow, and then it will be up. So I hope you enjoyed the clips from today. We are back in West Virginia. It is Wednesday. I just wanted to show you two things that I got. I went to Ulta and I just got the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set. I'm excited to try this out. And then this is a repurchase. I had this, but I can't find it, and it's good enough to repurchase. It's the Nude Sticks Hydropeptide Lip Butter, and I will have these linked down below. I have just been cleaning up and doing laundry. I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to start a new one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!